Farmers in emerging markets earn as little as $125 to $250 per month. Despite adopting new tools, most don't see real financial rewards. AgriVerse-X changes that. We reward farmers not just for farming, but for proven farming activity and ecosystem participation. Farmers connect AgriTech devices, sensors, drones, GPS-enabled tools. Usage is verified using location, sensor data, and quality checks. This creates proof of farming, and farmers earn AVC tokens. Farmers earn twice. First, from verified device usage. Second, from transactions, selling produce, taking courses, accessing finance, or landing jobs. A beginner farmer earns up to $30 monthly. Active users earn over $150. Super users earn up to $500 per month, up to a 400% income increase. AVC tokens are not speculative. They can be redeemed for cash, discounts, education, loans, insurance, or staked for passive income. Manufacturers fund reward pools. They gain verified adoption data, qualified leads, and real-world usage metrics, delivering up to 200% ROI in 3 years. AgriVerse-X scales to over 2 million farmers, $500 million in marketplace volume, and 50-plus manufacturer partnerships. AgriVerse-X is the only platform combining proof of farming, real rewards, and a full agri-ecosystem, creating powerful network effects and defensibility. AgriVerse-X rewards farmers for real work, real data, and real value. This is the future of sustainable agriculture,